Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this super funky cat's eye effect, and I thought these were absolutely perfect for New Year's Eve. So starting off with Jet Black from the gel bottle, I've applied 2 coats and cured, and I'm now going in with my Flirty's Cat's Eye. This is shade 6, and I am just going to apply this straight over the cured layer. So this little beauty is what creates all the magic. So I'm using this round end of the magnet and I'm just going in. The gel polish is still wet, so I'm just holding the magnet very close to the gel polish but not touching it, and I'm just kind of picking random places on the nail where I want the magnet to create the effect. Once I'm happy, I'm then going to go in and cure the gel polish, and I will do this on all of my nails and I will show you the colours that I have used. Okay, so here are the finished nails. I think these look so cool. It's such a different, quirky design. I really enjoyed doing these, and they were so quick and easy, and I think it's such an effective look. So if you have liked this video, please like, please subscribe, and I'm going to leave you with some pictures, and I will see you in the next one. Happy New Year, guys.